If you want to streamline your workflow and make your forms more interactive, Jotform's action buttons are perfect for you. Here's how you can set them up in just a few minutes. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Jotform. Head to their official site and log in with your account. If you're new, sign up. It only takes a moment. Once you're in, open the form you'd like to edit inside the form builder. Now look for the option to add a new column. Click Add a New Column, choose Button and then select Action Button. This feature lets you add buttons that perform specific actions with a single click. Next, choose what you want your action button to do. You can make it send an email, assign the form to someone, or request an update. Think about which option best fits your workflow. After selecting the action, configure its settings. For example, if you chose to send an email, enter the recipient's address. If it's an upload or assignment action, specify the details accordingly. Taking a moment to fine-tune these options ensures your form works exactly how you want. Once everything looks good, click Add or Create to finalize your button. It'll instantly appear in your form, ready for use. And that's it. You've just enhanced your form with Jotform action buttons. They're simple to set up but powerful in automating your processes. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what feature you want to learn next. Thanks for watching.